Hey everybody, today I want to do a quick review of Magic Box after I had the first generation for 2 years. You can actually if you already have a Magic Box, you can actually request a second generation one. Reason why, because the first generation one, for my purpose, for my reason, because the touchscreen won't respond. Yes, you can see there is batteries low batteries, but that's not the problem. So this one currently deactivated because you can only have one activated and one deactivated. And I will send this back. Don't worry, I will send this back to Sprint. And for the main purpose, I want to just talk about the first generation and the second generation. And I already did a review on the second generation if you want to go check it out. So, but the full disclosure, I would suggest not to put this in the bedroom because I did thought about it after I make the other one. As reason why I don't want to put it in the bedroom because it creates a high pitched noise, and I don't know if that's a frequency or what, but I think if you're more like people that doesn't like microwave waves or radio waves, this is probably not for you, because this does use a LTE band 41 signal strength negative 100 dB. When that doesn't really matter, that's just how well they communicate to the tower. So anyhow, at my house I have very low signal. So I need this to boost my signal. And also in my area, I have a tower that capable of band 41. So that's probably why I'm able to get this. For a while, you had to be on the approved list. I think now you might still have to, but don't quote on me on that. Also, the first generation is very clumsy to set up. So it's black screen, so you have to literally shine a flashlight onto that screen to be able to see what are you looking at. Unless you do what I did, which is point a picture over there and then poke it and do like point the camera at it so make it bigger and that kind of stuff. So yeah, the other thing I want to talk about is it's great that they have timestamp on there like all the time. You don't have to like tap it to do it, just because it is a set at your house thing, forget about it thing, or at least it doesn't look too much. Obviously it's a booster, like WeBoost. I never bought them before, so I can't speak. On top of that, I would love to in the future to get a WeBoost, but for the meantime I can't. So the only thing you can tell is it's only a Sprint logo on the top. That means it's Sprint. So that's the only way that this device will be able to tell. And the other thing is this is the same size as the second generation. Second generation is the same size as the first generation. But this generation is so heavy that you have to be careful, because it is super heavy. It's not light. It's not easy to carry it around. It's not meant to be carried around. So let me give you a quick tour. So here's the serial number right here, and there's the Wi-Fi, which is interesting enough that you can never connect to the Wi-Fi. But let me see if I can get to it. Right here is the Wi-Fi sticker. Reason why I show you that, because this doesn't really matter, because you're gonna go back to Sprint and it'll go to refurbished or whatever they want to do with it, because the second generation is no longer being sent out. That's why I was able to show you that. Except the serial number, I'm not going to show that, but I might already did it. Anyhow, so this Magic Box, basically when I got it, I had Sprint. It didn't really work Didn't know why. I called in, got a second one, the same issue. So maybe because my luck is too bad. I do have a Sprint iPhone 6s from Sprint. Not look like I bought it, unlocked it or something like that. It's just I bought it through Sprint. If it doesn't work, I don't know why. So I want to get a second try on the Sprint Magic Box 2. So that's why I ordered the Sprint Magic Box 2. And I will ship this back to Sprint today. So anyhow, well, thank you for watching, and I think that's all of the question. If you have any other question, please leave a comment down below. Maybe somebody else will be able to answer it. Maybe I'll be able to answer it. But if you do leave it down the comment, I can see it because I notify. So well, for the meantime, you have a great day. Thank you very much for watching this video.